In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Winsurf to vibe code any kind of website, whether front end, back end, and database connection, everything using Winsurf and a extension called OpenCode. And I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. First of all, you need to open your Winsurf. After that, let me just click on File, then click here Open Folder. Then we'll go to over here, and here first of all we need to create a folder. So let's just create a folder. Let's say the folder name will be Winsurf 5 code. You can name the folder anything. Select this, then click here, select folder. So it will open the folder inside Winsurf. So after that, we need to install a extension. So here on the left side, you will see a extensions option. Click on it, and here in the search option, you need to search for OpenCode. Press enter, and here you can see OpenCode. You need to click on this. So you can see a logo like this. Now you need to click on install, and here you can see it has over 36k download. So in future it will increase more. So right now I'm going to close this, and let's just click on the file section, and here you can see we're in the file location. But there you can see there is no option to open the OpenCode terminal or CLI. So for it, actually you need to click on extension, then click search over here OpenCode, click on OpenCode, and at the top right corner you will see the OpenCode icon here. And here you can also see the quick feature, quick launch, CMD plus ESC on Mac and Control plus ESC on Windows to open OpenCode in a split terminal view. Okay, so you can use those command, or you can just click here. So it will open the OpenCode terminal over here. And there you can see this is how OpenCode CLI looks. So let me just close this. And here inside OpenCode, you can write any kind of prompt, and OpenCode will generate a code for you inside Winsurf. So Winsurf actually is not free. After a limited use, you will hit a limit and you need to pay for Winsurf. But if you use OpenCode with Winsurf, then you can create any kind of project and you don't have to pay anything. So here, if I just say slash models, then press enter, you will see all the models that is available inside Winsurf. So here you can see Big Pickle, which is completely free. And if you want, you can also use OpenAI, then Anthropic, Cloud Code. And if I now press Ctrl A, you can see all the available model over here. So if you want to use the OpenAI or the Cloud Code, then you have to pay. But Big Pickle is completely free, and by default it will choose Big Pickle at the beginning. Here you can see it choose the Big Pickle model, and we're going to use this model. And here you can see build option. If I now press on tab, it will go to the plan mode. So let's say we want to build a portfolio website for a logo designer, let's say. So we're going to keep ourselves in the plan mode, and I'm going to say over here, we want to build a portfolio website for logo designer using HTML, CSS. And here you can see we're in the plan mode. So right now, if we press enter, it will generate a plan for us, and sometimes it may ask you some question as well. And there you can see it is asking me a question. So let's over here, creative, let's choose number 3. After that, we press enter, it will go to the next question, and let's say it will be 20 plus logos. Additional feature, let's say services and pricing. Then let's also add contact form and about section. Let's go to the next one, design style, and let's choose the second option. Press enter and press enter again. So it will now generate a plan for us using those information. And here you can see this done. So right now here you can see we are in the plan mode. So I'm going to click on tab and we'll go to the build mode. So here we're going to say yes, start implementing the plan, then press enter. And OpenCode right now will create folder and file for us for the project. So OpenCode might ask for permission, just give permission, allow always. Then OpenCode will no longer ask for permission and write code automatically. So the first thing OpenCode will do is that it will make a to-do list for us. There you can see it made a to-do list and it will complete that list one by one. So once the all step is complete, it means our project will be complete. So right now I'll just fast forward the video until everything is complete, and here you can see it already created the file structure, the project structure. So let me just fast forward the video. So here you can see it is done and it took around 9 minutes 23 seconds to complete the project. So right now let me just open it. Let me just go to my local disk G, and our project was this on Winsurf iPort. Let's go inside and here you can see index.html. So let's open our website, and there you can see this is how our website looks, and the design is actually quite good. There you can see. So here we can just add our logo and our website will actually look really great. And here it also add a service plan, starter, professional and premium. It also added some option over here. For the professional there is 5 logo, for starter 3 logo. Okay, that's good. There's a contact form. Okay, so I think if there is any logo, actually this website would look really great. So let's say our Windsurf open code that adds some random logo for the portfolio section. Then press enter. So here you can see it is done. So let's go back to the browser. Let me refresh. And there you go. It added some logo over here. Right now it actually looks really great. So yeah, this is how you can hype code using Winsurf completely for free. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.